It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So over the years, I have made many shades of candy apples and mini candy apples with you all on my platform. And today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite of them all, and that's the pink candy apples. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So of course I use Granny Smith apples, and you got to go through the cleaning process. So you want to check your apples for any cuts, nicks, or bumps. And when you go through the cleaning process, they come out and look like this. Now for that cleaning process, I'm gonna leave a link right up here. Click on that and check it out. It's important. After it goes through the cleaning process, I let my apples sit for 2 days. And through that process, it be these pebbles, sticky pebbles. It's like a sap-like substance that occur on the outside of the apple, if you can see closely here. Your apple do become brown, but it's still a good apple. And you just want to take a wet towel and wipe off that sticky like substance from your apples to remove all that sticky stuff. All right. After you have done that, you're going to take a dry towel and dry them completely. All right. After they are dry, then you go ahead and put your sticks and your straws and all that good stuff in them. Well, today I'm going to use the bling sticks. Now, the sticks that I normally use are a 6.5 by 5.0, and those sticks will allow the decorated straws to fit over them. Today, I just decided to put some bling to the pink. All right. So when you're inserting your sticks, whether they're the paper straws or the bling sticks, you want to get some paper towel and wipe around the top of that insert, because there is a little bit of juice that retracts back. So you just want to take a towel and dry that out completely so that you won't get no bubbles in your candy mixture. Like when you dip your apples and you ever get a little bubble at the top around the stem, well, that could be the case because there may be some juice settling right around the top. So just dry that and make sure it's completely dry. Now, once that's done, you're all ready to dip. All right. So in a medium or large saucepan, you're going to add in the ingredients: 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. This is my 411 recipe. Once that is in, you want to take a silicone spatula and just give it a little mix, not too much. And then you're going to cook this over your stove. All right. Now I'm using the electric pink that will create this beautiful pink by Miracolor. Then you're going to use the liquid white to help boost the color. And this is by Chef Masters. I'm going to flavor my candy mix with Strawberry Kiwi by Luran Oils. And you're going to need a candy thermometer. Now, taking your pot over your stove, you want to cook on medium-high heat. You want to clip your thermometer to the side of your pot, but make sure you don't allow the tip to touch the bottom of the pot because it will give off a false reading. So you want to clip it to the side and just insert that tip right into the mixture as you see here. Now, cooking your mixture over medium-high heat, you're going to cook this mix to 300 degrees. When your mix gets started, it starts off slow, then it starts to bubble fast. Do not walk away from the mixture. On your thermometer, there may be a red or blue indicator like you see here. And normally when it reaches like 280 degrees, that's when I add in my flavor or add it at the end. But I'm going to add it at the end. When it starts to reach 280 and it's getting up to 300, stay right there because it jumps up there fast. So now it's reached that degree, 300 degrees. You're going to remove it from the heat. Take your thermometer and place it in a cup of water to get off that excess candy mix that's stuck to the thermometer. Get you a silicone mat. Get ready to do your coloring. All right. So I'm adding in a few drops because this is a strong color. You're going to mix, and this is what you call a transparent color. So you need to add in the white to bring the color out. So you add a few drops at a time. If you add too much, it will make your candy mixture thick. So that's transparent. So now we're going to add in the Liquid Gel White, which is by Chef Masters. And I'm going to add in just a few drops at a time to bring out the color. If for any reason the color don't come through like you may think, like right here, it looks like it's not that bright pink that you're trying to achieve. It's there, all right? So even though it looked like it's not there to me, I'm going to add more white, and I'm just going to add a few more drops of white. So this is why I always check and look at my spatula to see if it's then came out to the color I'm trying to achieve. But I added more white, just a few more drops, and now I know I'm ready to dip. And this is the color that I'm looking for, okay? If you go back, you can see the difference in the spatula, all right? And now you're ready to dip. You're gonna go in, tilt your pot, and you're gonna take your apple and do a rotating turn. Do not let that apple rest on the side of the pot because it will mess up. You don't want that, all right? I love this pink, and everyone has asked me, how do you get it so pink? Well, it's the color, the brand of the color, all right? So I will leave those in the description box below this video, so make sure you check it out. Just go to my Amazon store, and you'll find all the supplies that I used in this video, all right? Majority of the supplies, because my silicone mat is not in there. But you know what I'm saying. So the supplies will be linked in my Amazon store in the description below this video. All right. So this recipe will cover, depending on your apples, they will cover up to 8. For this full recipe, I'm using large apples. So it's going to cover between 6 to 8 apples because they're large apples. I will leave a measurement matrix of how many apples will be covered with this recipe. You want to do a bigger batch, then do a recipe and a half. So a full recipe and a half, all right? Will get you a good coverage depending on the size of your apples. But here are the beauties, all nice, beautiful, all right? Fully covered, and that shine is amazing. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know, how do you like this pink? And those bows, I love because I made them. All right? So if you have enjoyed this video, just give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you enjoyed this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more. It's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.